A lot of you have been asking if there is a software or an online job that can replace remotasks. Yes, we have so many that but cannot replace. They are close to remotask. Like Appen. Appen is one of the jobs that you can work on them on their phone, on computer. And when you get tasked, the good thing about Appen that they pay really well and you can make more than $500 in a week. But the problem with the pen is that when they try to target those people who use an iPhone compared to Android users, if you have a laptop is okay, but if you must use a phone, then you must have an iPhone, because most of the notification I've been getting of job, you must have at least an iPhone. But for we Samsung users, we're not planning to get any iPhone soon. So anyway, if you want more tasks, just buy an iPhone.